Oh, hey there. Welcome to Harley Davidson. How can I help you today?
Oh, hey, how's it going, man? So I was looking into possibly getting a new bike, and I was hoping you could help me explore some of my financing options.
Oh, sure. You want to finance a Harley? Your credit's a little shaky? Don't worry. We have an in-house program that can definitely help you with that. I'm going to need to ask you a few questions, and then we can see what we can do for you, what bikes are available, and what we can finance for you. So let's get into it. Perchance, have you checked your credit already? Do you have a basic idea of what your credit score is?
Oh, yeah, I checked for my credit and all that, and, I checked the 3.
Oh, good. You checked with all 3 credit agencies? Cool. What was the number you got?
Oh, no. So I checked all the credit places, and, my credit score is 3.
Oh, 3. All right, hold on. Let me enter that in. Okay, do you have any loans, any credit cards, anything like that?
Oh, yeah. No, I definitely got a couple credit cards going right now, and, I got my Ford F-150 that I financed, so, I got a few irons in the fire, you could say.
Excellent. That could definitely help your credit. Perchance, have you defaulted on any of them?
Oh, yeah. I've definitely defaulted on some loans. I'm not proud of it.
All right. That's not the worst thing. Which ones have you defaulted on?
All of them, even the credit cards. Like, literally, I got to get a new track phone like every month because let me tell you, those creditors, man, they can find you. They just find you, man. So, yeah, I always got to change my number and stuff. It's crazy. You would not believe how many times I've had to move my single wide, this year alone. Those guys are ruthless. They just come right to your door. It's crazy.
Oh, okay. Let me just get that in there. Okay, and do you have a job?
Oh, yeah, of course I have a job.
Great, what do you do for work?
I steal catalytic converters and I recycle them for money.
Okay, self-employed, no problem. Let me just enter that. Okay, and do you know how much you make a year?
I'm not quite sure a number, but it's definitely enough to cover my meth addiction. So, it's a good number. It's a good one. I'm not poor.
Okay, 6-figure income, no problem. And do you have any sort of like collateral you can put down? Like any cosigns, anything of value that you can maybe, put up to say that you're serious about this?
Well, yeah, I got my single wide and stuff. It's a 1967, so you could call it a classic, but it has been remortgaged 3 times already. It's pretty deep in debt, but hey, man, when you need a pack of smokes, you need a pack of smokes, right? What am I supposed to do when I need a little scratch on the side?
We could definitely take that, no problem. Let me just get that in there. Oh, man, this is gonna be great. Okay, let me just get a few things entered in here, and let me see. It's just going to take a minute. Okay, so it looks like you are qualified for a CVO.
A CVO? No way! Are you sure about that? I feel like you might have messed up some numbers there.
Oh, hold on. I made a mistake. My bad.
Oh, right. Yeah, I thought so.
My apologies. You're actually qualified for a brand new CVO or a CVO trike if you'd like, a brand new helmet, a brand new leather jacket, assless chaps, a 135 crate engine to drop in, brand new handlebars, replacement of all your lights to LED, 6 t-shirts, 1 pair of riding jeans, a pair of riding boots, a pair of riding shoes, a pair of riding sneakers, a pair of flip-flops for when you're not riding, sunglasses, a little leather jacket for your dog, all the gear that your wife could want or use, and let's see what else. Oh, a second motorcycle. So which of that did you want?
Oh man, I will take all of that. That sounds awesome. Yeah, just bundle it all up. In fact, I got my single white outside. Yeah, the creditors were looking for me this morning, so I figure I'd just take it with me when I go looking for this bike. Yeah, just load it all right in there, just right in the single wide. It's great. I'll totally send you my new address. You can trust me. Here's my phone number for the rest of the week. But don't worry, I'll be paying this bill, so you don't have to worry about me. I'm there.
Great, that is so great to hear. Okay, so this is going to be a 6-year loan at 30% interest, and we could definitely take care of this. We're just going to need you to sign for a few things.
6 years, 30%? No problem. I'll definitely be paying that bill. Don't you worry, guy. This is going to be my priority. Wink, wink. All right, let's do this. Bring out my CVO.
Oh, I am so excited for this. I am so glad that we were able to make your day. Let me tell you, here at Harley, we are all about taking care of the customer.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that one. Yeah, just a little bit of fun with the Harley financing. There's definitely a lot of stories about how they will literally just finance anyone. I've actually gotten emails where like Harley's like, oh, does your credit suck? No, we can still put you in a bike. I'm like, really? You're seriously gonna sit there and go, oh, bad credit? Don't worry, we'll give you a bike and trust that you're gonna pay for this. That's cool. Like, come on in. We'll hook you up. It's whatever, man. Whatever gets you through the day, I guess. High five to Harley for you know, keeping people coming in and buying stuff they can't afford. That's awesome. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude you know who's collecting cans as a profession and bringing him to the recycling center and really wishes that he had a motorcycle. Now he can. He loves this stuff. Trust me, and I'll see you all on the flip side.